Hello friends, today we are going to make a bird's beak. For this, materials required: red color A4 size paper, white color A4 size paper, scissor, glue stick, paper knife, marker. Let us start. To this, first we have to fold exactly the center. And again fold like a paper boat. In this way we will get a perfect square. And cut the excess paper. By using paper cutter, just you can even use scissor also. Let us start working with this paper. Now fold exactly to the center and again do the same in the other side also. Now apply glue stick on one side of the beak and then just stick like this. Again repeat the same for the other beak also. Now take this one, the remaining paper, and make a cut to get like this. Again apply glue stick on both sides, and then just stick like this. Press gently and check whether it will move. It's good. Now let us attach the head portion. Now it's time that we stick the eyes. Take the marker and draw eye. That's all. Our beak is ready. Bird's beak is ready. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe for my channel. For more videos, please click the bell button so that you will never miss any notification from my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.